Welcome to Marygiri online classes. Today we are going to study about the how to determine sex of a baby. When someone is pregnant in your home, you may predict that it may be a baby. The baby may be a girl or a boy. We are predicting that, but how can we determine the sex of a baby? In the case of human being, the human being contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. What is a chromosome? We have already studied that. It is a thread-like structure. Thread-like structure, it provides the characters. The genes are produced from it. Two chromosomes, among the 23 chromosomes, two chromosomes are sex chromosomes. Male contains chromosomes X and chromosome Y. In the case of female, female contains chromosome X and chromosome X. Two X chromosomes are there. In the case of female. Human beings contain 23 pairs of chromosome. Two chromosomes are sex chromosomes. In the case of male, male contains chromosome X and chromosome Y. But in the case of female, two X chromosomes are there. In every cell, 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosomes are there in human beings. Males have XY chromosomes, but in the female have XX chromosomes. During fertilization, a sperm having X chromosomes fuses with the egg having X chromosome. Then the zygote is XX chromosomes. And it will develop into a baby girl. XX represents baby girl. If sperm having Y chromosomes and it fuses with the egg having X chromosome, then the zygote with the XY chromosomes. It will develop into the baby boy. XY represents boy. XX girl, XY boys. By this way, we can determine the sex of a baby. The sperm have X and Y chromosome. If that X chromosome is fuses with the X chrome itself, then it will be a girl. And if that Y chromosome is fused with the X chromosome, then XY is forming. So it will be a boy. Role of hormones other than the sex hormones. We have already studied about some of the hormonal functions in our bodies. Testes and ovaries are produce their hormones. Then, apart from the pituitary, the testes and ovaries, there are other endocrine glands in the body such as thyroid, pancreas and adrenal glands. You may have heard that someone is suffering with the goiter. Goiter is a disease affecting to the thyroid gland. Because the thyroid gland is not producing thyroxine. Heard that those who have the sugar in their body, insulin is not producing properly. Pancreas is not producing insulin. Due to that, some people become diabetic or sugar patient. Then, adrenaline, in some of their cases, adrenaline, the hormone maintain the correct balance in the blood. Adrenals also produce hormone adrenaline. What is the major function? It helps the body to adjust the stress when we are angry. Then or when we are worried also. All this time it is controlling our body. It as well as adrenaline are secrete their hormones when they receive orders from the pituitary through its hormones. Pituitary is also secrete growth hormones. It is needed for the growth of a normal person. Hormones in completing the life cycle of insect and frogs. We have studied that insect and frogs, they undergo a lot of changes in adulthood. That is known as metamorphosis process. Are controlling metamorphosis in the case of frog and insects. Insect hormone that controls metamorphosis or the larva into an adult stage. Thyroxine controlling the development of caterpillar, controls the development of tadpole to frog, and iodine is an important for the production of thyroxine. Then for the production of thyroxine, so the presence of iodine in the water affects the metamorphosis process. Reproductive health. What do you mean by reproductive health? Reproductive health is the physical, mental with the being connection with the reproduction related to the characters. We should take the food item in balanced diet to be take care while we are in adolescent period. Nutrition needs during adolescent period. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals, all the nutrient food items should take it in a balanced diet. Personal hygiene. It is very important. We should take bath morning and evening, and in all the way we should be hygienic. And physical exercise, it is most important. Some of the physical exercise we want to do it regularly to fit our bodies. Then we should say no to drugs. We should avoid such things, tobaccos or any thing which contain drugs. We should avoid any item which contain alcohol content. We should avoid it. Say no to drugs, alcohol or tobaccos. Detail about this we can study in our live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.